The department is commemorating this day by holding door-to-door community outreach to vaccinate cats and dogs and also visit local schools to spread awareness about rabies. Our reporter Yolanda Kambile has more for us.
We are coming live from Walmer township here in Agrarian. This is where the Department of Rural Development and Agrarian Reform is commemorating the World Veterinary Day. This is where now they are doing an awareness with the people to educate them in terms of vaccinating their pets, the dogs and the cats. And also the department is visiting schools, making an awareness to the people and also vaccinating pets against the rabies. And just to hear more about this, we have Dr. Lungile Jali from the department, who is going to tell us more about this initiative. Doc, very good afternoon. And can you just brief us, firstly, tell us about this initiative and this day, the World Veterinary Day?
Good day. Today we're here in Walmer township to commemorate the World Veterinary Day. This day was created by the World Veterinary Association in year 2000, and every year on the 30th of April this day is commemorated. And so as a department we decided to have this day here in Walmer township because of the current rabies outbreak that as a province we are experiencing. There's quite a number of areas that have been affected by this disease, and Walmer township currently is having a number of cases. We've detected the number of cases. So as part of a fight against the rabies and also showing our resilience in the fight against this disease, we decided now Walmer will be our perfect place for today. Eastern Cape currently is having a number of rabies cases throughout the province. We've got Western District, heavily most affected area there being in Nelson Mandela Bay Metro. The Amatole District, Buffalo City Municipality is also having a major outbreak. Your OR Tambo, areas like King Sabata, Daringebo, areas of Port St. John's, Krisani District with areas of Ngobo, and you have Joe Kabi, and then you have also areas around Alfredzo, which is areas around Bizana. So the department has been done a lot of work in trying to control this disease. Currently, from last year January, to date we've vaccinated about 523,896 animals. We have detected 812 rabies cases that have been laboratory confirmed. And to fight this disease, the major thing that one needs to do is to do a mass vaccination of pets. We're targeting about 70% of the population to bring the disease under control. We're not just doing a rabies vaccination, with a lot of other activities that we do as a department. We provide primary animal care. We do also provide free dipping, sheepscape treatments. We do also help people with their normal day-to-day sickness of the animals, such as primary animal care. And so there's a lot of other activities that we're doing besides the fight against the rabies. We're doing a lot as well on exports, helping clients with their international trade markets, and we also help them through a certification. So there's quite a number of activities that one can actually receive or get from the Department of Rural Development and Agrarian Reform. We also have a number of other activities that we're going to continue doing in promoting, specifically now I'm talking about now rabies, that we're going to continue to fight the disease, because now we still have a number of cases throughout the province that we need to bring down as soon as possible. So this is not just here in Walmer. This program is going to continue throughout the year. And hopefully that then we will win. But we need cooperation from the people to make sure that they do bring their animals in these vaccination points. They can always go to the nearest state veterinary office to get assistance from any nearest. If you have an animal that is sick or is showing rabies, signs of rabies, it's better to quickly go to your nearest state veterinary office and get assistance from there. Other thing to mention is that to advise people that have been bitten by these rabid animals to please wash the wounds with clean running water and immediately go to the nearest hospital. There you get your treatment. They normally get the vaccine, a series of injections for vaccine and immunoglobulins that is injected in the wound. So there's no treatment for this disease. Vaccination is the only way that we can control it. If your pets are vaccinated and if someone is bitten, immediately goes to the nearest health center and get help.
And how is the response from the public, the community, and also I'm aware that you are also visiting schools to do the awareness?
Yes, the response has been very good, I must say, since they have this, specifically now here in the Nelson Mandela Bay Metro. We've done 65,000 animals from last year to date. So we've covered all the areas in the Nelson Mandela Bay Metro. So, and the people have been very cooperative. We haven't had any challenges with getting people in any day that we've arranged for them to bring their animals for vaccination. So we're quite happy with the response that we've seen from the people with regard to rabies vaccinations.
Thank you very much, Doc.
Thanks.
Right, that is Dr. Lungile Jali, who is from the Department of Rural Development and Agrarian Reform, and explaining more about this day and how they commemorate it being the World Veterinary Day, and also doing the awareness, visiting also the local schools and also teaching people about these diseases.